Hey, hi guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, we'll be seeing something interesting. So don't mistake me saying that every lesson which I teach is interesting. So I would say that Facebook ads itself is the most interesting modules out of all subjects in digital marketing, right? So since I've been in this particular industry for almost 9 years, I felt that Facebook ads was really interesting to me. So I hope it would be the same for you too. So when you start trying those ads and when you start getting the results right, you will really be much interested than me. Fine. So here we are just going to see something about how to sneak peek your competitor ads, right? So it is nothing but how do you sneak peek, how do you overlook your competitor ads. So yes, so I'm just going to exactly show you that process over here. So to sneak peek my competitor ads, what do I do? So Facebook has given a separate tool where we can sneak peek all our competitor ads. So I'm just going to Facebook ad library, right? I'm just going to click this link and then you'll be able to see a page which shows uh, a comprehensive searchable collection of ads currently running across Facebook apps and services, including Instagram. Right. So all you have to do is you have to just select the location, and you have the list of all location, and then you have to select something called ad category. So I'm just going to, I don't fall into any, I mean, the ad which I'm going to see, right? I'm not going to see in any of these categories. So I'm just going to click all ads, and then I'm just going to type maybe Flipkart. Let's see what are the campaigns that is currently being run by Flipkart. So we could see a lot of campaigns, right? Suppose if you are an e-commerce store like Amazon, right, and then you wanted to run a Facebook ad. So before writing, once you have completed the sales copy content which we discussed in our previous lesson, now we are going to set up the campaign. So before setting up the campaign, you just wanted to see of how your competitor are running the Facebook ads. So to do that, you need to sneak peek your competitor ads definitely. And when you see that, you'll be able to see carousel ad running on. You'll be able to see a conversion ad running on, and then you'll be able to see a lot of conversion ads running on. You'll be seeing the start date, and when I just click see ad details, you'll be able to see the exact uh, ads, right? The contents, the image, and the link which they have been redirected to. Fine. So this is how we check our competitor ads, and based on this we write a sales copy, and based on this we design our creatives too. So when you have a clear idea of what your competitors are doing, right, um, you will be able to decide, okay, this is what I have to do for my brand. My competitors are doing something like this, and I need to work out a proper sales copy, something on a particular strategy, right? So when you have a clear picture of your competitors, it will be very easy for you. So do ensure it is totally a free tool that is given by Facebook. Apart from that, we have a number of tools that is available online, but I would say that that this particular tool itself satisfies a lot of questions. I mean, it clarifies a lot of doubts and questions. So I think this particular tool would be much enough for you. Do try out and do let me know if you have any questions on this particular tool, right? So thanks for watching this video.